Hi class, how are you doing? Yes, today teacher is so glad to see you all again. And now it's time to study English. Are you ready to study English? Okay, teacher hope you are ready. And let's go, we will learn all together. Today teacher come back and teacher will introduce everyone the new lesson. The lesson is about was and were. Was, were. Okay, when teacher read, teacher would like everyone try to read after teacher. Okay, was, were. Was, were. Okay, I'm sure you all have seen these two words before, right? But maybe you don't know how they use, and today teacher will introduce you all, and after teacher introduce, everyone will know and can do exercise all together. All right, okay, let's see. We use was and was for the past. Everyone, you know past, right? The past, that means something that happened already. So we use something that happened in the past. Something that happened already, we use was and were. Okay, so was and were is the past word, the words about the past. Okay, this is how we use was with I, he, she, it, and singular nouns. Again, we use was with I, he, she, it, and singular nouns. You know singular noun, right? The noun that have only one. Okay, how about were? We use were with you, we, they, and plural nouns. You, we, they, and plural nouns. Alright, so plural nouns, that means the noun have more than one, 2, 3, or 4. Right, so please kindly read and look all together again. Was, I, he, she, it, and singular nouns. Were, you, we, they, and plural nouns. Okay, please remember it. Okay, let's go to other step. Examples. Okay, let's see example all together how we use in the sentence. Okay, here you are. Number 1, like I was at Siem Reap yesterday. Okay, yesterday, that means the time that something that happened already, right? Yesterday happened already, right? So you cannot use something like is, am, or are. You have to use was, right? You cannot say I am at Siem Reap yesterday. No, cannot. If you see the word yesterday, that means it's happened in the past. So you just was, right? Like I was at Siem Reap yesterday. Very good. And number 2, he was a top 1 student when he was 12. Okay, that means he was a top 1 student, but not now, when he was 12 years old, right? So something that happened for a long time already. Okay, and number 3, it was very hot yesterday, right? So if we talk about the past, everything must use was, right? Okay, number 4, they were so happy at the party last night. They were so happy at the party last night. Okay, that means it's happened already. It happened last night, so it's gone, it already. So you cannot use they are so happy. You have to use they were. Okay, so if you use were, you are right. If you use something that is not were, you are wrong. Okay, number 5, you were at the party with your brother. You were at the party with your brother. Okay, you see, that means you were at the party like maybe last night, last week, or something else. Use were. Okay. Okay. Number 6. We were at the hospital last week. We were at the hospital last week. Okay, that means last week we use were. Okay, were we use with we, right? Okay, okay. Okay, let's go to memorize. Memorize, that means teacher want you to remember something. Okay, let's see. Teacher want you to remember when we use was, were plus verb. Verb must add ing. Was, were plus verb. Verb must plus ing. Why? Okay. Example. I was sleeping in the class this morning. I was sleeping in the class this morning. Okay, so this means you use was, and you know verb already, right? Verb is sleep, so you use was plus verb sleep must add ing, right? And last night we were dancing at the party. Last night we were dancing at the party. Okay, so that's mean you use were and plus verb dance, so the word dance must add ing. Okay, like our rule, right? Okay, and the next one, she was studying with teacher Daro when she was in grade 2. Okay, you see, when you use was plus verb study, studies must add ing. But you see the other sentence, she was in grade 12. So was, no, not plus with any verb, so we not add ing, just was only, right? And the last one, last year they were going to Singapore in May. Last year they were going to Singapore in May. Okay, see, so last year they were plus verb go must add ing, right? So I would like you to remember this also. So when you use was and were plus verb must add ing. Okay, okay, that's all about today. I hope everyone be known and understand and be happy with the lesson today. Alright, later teacher will send you the homework. Please kindly do homework all together and send to teacher. And don't forget, when you send your homework, when you do your homework, teacher always mark you all in my book. Okay, so please, thank you, bye bye, see you all later.